Hello, and welcome to this quick presentation about the new hire training program at ACM. New employees undergo comprehensive training when they start at ACM. The training is self-led, allowing resources to progress at their own speed. Throughout the process, resources are encouraged to set up meetings with leadership to review their progress and address any questions they may have. New hires are provided with a checklist of training activities they must complete. These training activities are listed on this slide and will be discussed in more detail in this presentation. Resources are provided with 3 quick start guides. The guides are concise one-page documents that contain summaries of user guidelines, definitions, and formulas. Each guide is double-sided and laminated so that they can be conveniently used wherever they are needed. Quick start guides are provided for Microsoft Project, Primavera P6, and cost controls and reporting. Reviewing these guides prior to starting the training will help you become familiar with the key topics. They also serve as valuable reference materials throughout the training and will continue to be useful after completion. New hires are trained on Microsoft Project and P6. They are given 2 books, the Hands-on Training Microsoft Project book and the Hands-on Training Oracle P6 book. These books provide a comprehensive guide on the programs and feature in-depth explanations and step-by-step instructions. Along the way, resources will encounter hands-on exercises designed to help them become proficient with the software. Be sure to save copies of your work regularly to ensure that you can easily revert back to previous versions if needed. During the interview process at ACM, candidates are given the critical path method test. For this test, you are given a set of tasks and a list of constraints. You are to schedule these tasks on paper using that information. Once hired at ACM, you will use your results from this test and input them into Microsoft Project and P6. For this training exercise, resources are given an Excel spreadsheet containing a list of tasks with incomplete information. They are to use the given information and determine the order of the tasks along with their predecessors and successors. They will then use this information to create project plans in both Microsoft Project and P6. Resources are provided with a hard copy of an Introduction to Power Plant Systems. This book is also available in the PDF format if that is more convenient. The book contains information and drawings to teach you about power plant systems. It is a good learning tool, but even better when you combine it with informative videos on YouTube to get a better basic understanding of power plant systems. For the Estimating Overview project, resources are provided with the project specs document and drawings. They are to use these documents to produce a list of tasks and associated expenses. They then organize this information into a spreadsheet and use cost data books and online resources to determine the cost for each item. Creating a work plan using Microsoft Project or P6 will establish a project timeline. The final deliverable should include a detailed cost estimate for the project along with a high-level breakdown. The mock scheduling meeting can be conducted after one or all of the following training activities: creating a work plan for the CPM test, creating a work plan for the preliminary engineering scope, or the estimating overview project. For this exercise, resources will set up a meeting with leadership and conduct a mock status meeting. For this meeting, resources should prepare materials as they would in a real-life meeting, such as having printouts ready or sending emails with documents ahead of time. Some items to prepare may include work plans, Gantt charts, estimates, and samples of reports that would be appropriate for a client meeting. For this task, resources will work their way through the Advanced Excel Guidebook to explore various Excel functions, macros, formatting techniques, pivot tables, charts, and more. Each section includes a detailed explanation of the topic, followed by an activity that provides hands-on experience for better learning. All resources are required to complete the Must Safety training. This training is completed online. The modules that are covered are listed on this slide. Upon completion of the training, a test will be administered and a passing score is required to earn a certificate of completion. Thank you for taking the time to learn about ACM's new hire training. More information about ACM can be found online on our website at www.acmpm.com. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.